The DCS-20 is our top-of-the-range DPF cleaning system, covering all domestic filters but with specific design features to cater to the commercial market. Using a combination of pressurized air, water, ProClean treatment and adjustable heating, the DCS-20 can restore even the most blocked commercial filters to be up to 100% blockage-free. The filter is taken off the vehicle and soaked for up to 60 minutes, depending on its size and the density of the blockage, using the ProClean Stage 1 solution. After draining the solution, the filter is strapped into the work cabinet of the DCS-20. The cabinet is watertight and made out of heavy-duty steel and glass. Using the wide range of accessories that come with the DCS-20, the cabinet can be configured to fit any DPF, including optimized rigs for cleaning Euro 5 and 6 filters. The high-pressure mix of air, water and detergent blasts all the collected soot and ash from the DPF. This then passes back into the machine and through a filtration system to be used again. This dramatically extends the useful life of the cleaning solution. The DCS-20 is equipped with a range of airtight bungs and DPF adapters, robust safety straps to secure the filter in place, and winch hooks to lift the DPF, allowing the user to carry out cleans at different orientations. As with the other DCS models, the blast can be activated manually whilst the optimum pressure is set. The auto mode feature can then be run using the built-in solenoid timers. The DCS-20 is also equipped with a water heater to increase the efficiency of the clean. Pre- and post-clean results can be provided and printed out from the DCS-20's built-in differential pressure meter. Most commercial DPFs take just 1.5 hours to be cleaned, depending on the blockage. When the water runs clear, the process is complete, and the filter can be air-dried using the built-in blower. Once the DPF is thoroughly dried, the second stage of the ProClean treatment is added. This provides a nanocatalytic layer to the core of the filter, which makes the vehicle's built-in regeneration process more effective, keeping the DPF cleaner for longer. Taking the DPF restoration process in-house gives you a much quicker turnaround than sending the DPF away to a specialist, and puts the profit for the job in your pocket. Become your local DPF cleaning specialist and reap the benefits of this brand new technology. If you are unsure about joining the DPF cleaning revolution, book a demo with us today and see the DCS-20 in action for yourself.